Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark on CapCut. So if you're tired of seeing CapCut watermark on your videos, in this instant and easy guide, I'll show you how you can remove the CapCut watermark step by step. So I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark on the projects that you create from scratch or the ones from templates. If you edit your videos on CapCut nowadays, there will be a watermark attached on the video saying CapCut at the top or bottom of your videos. But if you are a pro users like I did in here, I have a pro CapCut, so you don't see the watermark. So one way to remove that watermark on your video is by joining the CapCut Pro. So after that, when you edit your videos just like this, there will be no watermark attached, and you can also use the Pro features. And if you want to remove the watermark from templates, here I'm going to show you. For example, I'm going to just use one of this templates right here. Okay, for example, I'm going to just use this photos. Okay, so when you use a template from CapCut like this, you'll see at the top there will be this CapCut watermark attached on the video. And how you can remove it, let's just tap on export first at the top. And you guys can see here on the export menu, there will be this option to change its quality. And here there are two options: export without watermark or just export. So when you click on just export in here, that means your videos will be saved with the watermark attached on it. You can see at the top right here there will be watermark, but if you don't want to have that watermark on your videos, you can just tap on export again in here and choose to export without watermark. You don't need to worry if you don't have a TikTok account or applications on your phone, because when you click on this, you still can export the video, but then you'll be directed to the Google or App Store and can just go back and the video will still be safe. And here I'm choosing to export without watermark, and since I have TikTok, there will be direct me to the TikTok application. And as you guys can see here, there won't be any watermark attached on the video, and the video will still be saved on my gallery even if I don't post it on my TikTok. You can see there is no watermark attached on it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.